angle, and the other foot just spread out to give me balance. And the first thing you're going to do is just start rotating the drill. Not too fast, just start seating it. Takes a little while to start getting smoke, but once it goes, then it's faster. All right, I see the first little puff of smoke. Can I see it?
Yeah, I see it.
Now we can start going faster. So what's happening is we're grinding the wood and making charcoal, char powder. And that stuff, once it gets hot enough, is going to ignite. It's going now. I think I might already have a coal, but I'm going to keep it just a little longer, just to make sure. All right, let's see. Looks like we got something.
It's a good workout.
So if, when you take it off, it's still smoking, then you know you got something. As long as it's smoking for a while and it's growing. So very gently, I'm going to lift that off. And I got that leaf with a coal in it. Ooh, lost the coal. There it is. Let's keep it together. So I'm going to take this over to my tinder bundle right here. And just dump that right in. Watch out, guys. I'm going to be spinning this. Hopefully it doesn't get lost in there. It's still in there. So here's what I'm going to do now. Just going to watch out a little bit because I'm going to be swinging this. So everyone stand back a bit. This gets a lot more oxygen to it than blowing it with your mouth. Because it's pure air.
Wow, look at that.
Crackling. It's going to burst into flames in just a minute. Slowly go faster. Bring the fire out.
That's beautiful. That's amazing.
Wow. We got all our stuff ready. It's easy now. All we have to do is set it on. Try not to cut off all the oxygen.
Do you see that, Patty?
Now I like to lay it out kind of like a log cabin or a teepee or whatever you want.
Come over this side.
And try not to do it too fast because otherwise you'll cut off the oxygen. Yeah, you can help. Stick on. Make sure you don't knock it over though. Put it this way now. So we can even make a teepee around it now. You guys want to help? You're not scared?
Come on, boys.
Put a stick on or two.
Go, you want to go put some sticks on?
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's okay.
That one's too big. Oh, I guess it'll work. Yeah. All right, guys, give it a second to catch on a sec. There we go.
Do you want me to continue?
You can turn it off. You're gonna scrape off the bark. So here you go.